Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to fix our download shortcut video not showing in iPhone gallery. So if you're trying to download a photo or video from anywhere and the photo and the video is not showing in your gallery, so if you're facing any kind of issues with our download shortcut in your iPhone, all you have to need to solve this problem, you have to delete the current our download shortcut and you have to install or add the updated version of our download shortcut. And here's how to do it. Go to your shortcut app and just search for our download. Now tap on this tap on the three dot and hard press on our download and just tap on delete and delete shortcut. Once you successfully deleted our download shortcut, now it's time to download the latest version of it. So go to a browser and search for our download shortcut, and I'm going to opening the second website, shortcuts for iOS website. And here, once you are in this website, just tap on install shortcut. And here you will find the latest version of our download shortcut. And all you have to do is just again add and set up the our download shortcut in your iPhone. Once you successfully download it, now go ahead and try to download something using our download shortcut. And now hope you won't get any problem while you are trying to download any photos and videos using the shortcut. And your downloaded videos will be stored in your gallery. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.